Assalamu alaikum. I'm Omar Farooq Fahim, ID 213357797. Currently, I study in Daffodil International University, Department of Software Engineering. Today, I will discuss about AES expansion. AES means Advanced Encryption Standard. Introduction. AES is a Semitic block cipher renowned for its security and efficiency, utilizing substitution and permutation networks. It operates on the fixed size block of data. The key expansion generates round keys of encryption and decryption. Widely standardized, AES finds applications in data encryption, network security, and digital rights management. Its adoption underscores its importance in safeguarding sensitive information globally. Here is the code. Firstly, ROCON stands for round contents, and these contents are used in the key expansion process of AES. In AES, each round key is divided from the previous round key, and RON provides contents that are XORed with a certain byte during key expansion to add the variability and security to the encryption process. And the values is RON are predefined contents generated according to the AES specifications. Then comes SBox. SBox stands for substitution box. It's a fundamental component of AES encryption. In AES, during the encryption process, each byte of the input is substituted with a corresponding byte from the substitution box. The substitution box provides a non-linear transformation that enhances the security of the encryption algorithm. The value is SBox are predefined and represent the substitution values for each possible byte value. And then comes the user input. The code promotes the user to input the number of round keys and they want to generate. This number determines how many round keys will be derived from the original key. It then asks the user to input values from a 4x4 matrix. These values represent the initial key or a portion of it depending on the context. And then comes the column shifting and substitution. After obtaining the input key matrix, the code performs a series operation on it. It shifts each column cyclically. The first byte of each column remains in place, and the second byte is shifted up by one position. Then the third byte by 2 positions, and lastly the fourth byte by 3 positions. After shifting, each byte is a substitution with a value from the substitution box, providing a non-linear transformation. These operations are initial for ensuring the confusing and diffusing properties in AES encryption, making it resistant to various cryptographic attacks. Then the key expansion, the final part of the code generates and the round keys using the round expansion algorithm. The algorithm starts with the original key, perform transformations on it, and generates a set of round keys used in each round of AES encryption. And the generated round keys are printed out and ready to be used in the AES encryption process. uh, and this is the output of the code. Overall, the code demonstrates a crucial part of the AES encryption process, which is key expansion. It involves both predefined contents and user provided input to generate a set of round key used in AES encryption. And these round keys ensure the security and complexity of the encryption algorithm. Thank you.